Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna clean out my pantry and then I'm going to go grocery shopping and then I'm gonna reorganize it, restock it, and I wanted to bring you along with me. I think first I'm gonna make a matcha and then I will get cleaning. So here are my ingredients for my matcha. This one I picked up from Costco. I just use 1 teaspoon of it. This is like my favorite oat milk. I've tried so many different types, but this one is my favorite. And then I put like a tablespoon of maple syrup. And as you can see, this is like empty, which I'll be buying more of today. So I'm gonna heat up my oat milk and then make my matcha. So here's my pantry, and I think my plan is I'm gonna give it a good vacuum and clean. I'll just show you, like, the floor is like pretty dirty, and then we have like onion stuff there. But I also really need to restock it and fill up jars and the containers again. I think we'll give it a clean first, and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Okay, I'm back home. I got all my groceries, pantry items. Oh my god, you guys, I went to 3 stores. I'm gonna put all this away and then I'll show you what's in the pantry. So the pantry's all done. It's looking so good, nice and stocked and clean. The organizers that I have in here are mostly from IKEA. These are from IKEA here, these baskets, and as well as these boxes here, those are IKEA. These containers that I have the spaghetti and stuff in are IKEA. These large jars are IKEA. These little guys I got off Amazon. And then this is from HomeSense, but I know that they sell them on Amazon as well. This is a game changer because you can just spin it around and then grab what you need, and I feel like it saves so much space. So then I put on my oils and all that good stuff here. Back to these jars, I made the labels for these. So I actually have a YouTube video where you can make your own labels in Canva, or I also have an Etsy link where it's already done for you in Canva and you can just purchase the labels and then print them off yourself. I'll link both of them down below for you. I feel like I should show you what's in all these things. So let's start up here. So I have spaghetti. We don't really eat much cereal. We have a little bit of cereal there, but for my daughter, but we don't really eat much. Rice and pastas, and then I have extra spices in these ones, vitamins, Tylenol, medicine, and then I have all my teas in this guy here. And then moving down to this shelf, we have dog treats, bars, candy, and then some crackers. These crackers are my go-to if you don't want something with gluten in them. They're pretty good, nice and healthy. But we have treats for my daughter, popcorn. These are amazing. My daughter loves these. These are from Costco. They're little fruit bars. And then you already saw my sauces there, pumpkin seeds, rice, oats. I use all of this stuff all the time. So it's nice to just have it looking pretty, but also it's stuff that I use all the time. Then down to this shelf. So this is kind of like my tuna and canned goods. I have extra Dijon mustard and Bragg's in case I need that. My avocados, potatoes, onion, garlic in there. Some extra flours. These 2 icing sugar for baking. That's just to make hot sauce, which me and my husband haven't done that, but I would like to do that soon. Make this homemade hot sauce because I feel like that would be a fun thing to do. We have in this bin here just chia seeds, nuts, dates, all stuff to bake, and nutritional yeast for salad dressings. This is all my nuts, pistachios, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and then here's kind of just it's not really looking that great, but it's just extra stuff. It's noodles, extra rice. We've got some wraps for my daughter. So I think it's looking really awesome. If you have any questions about anything, I can link the containers in the video down below. Okay, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, all the links will be in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.